Take a ride in the 1999 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, tachometer, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel, passenger vanity mirror, 40-20-40 split bench front seat, sports steering wheel, front wheel independent suspension. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.